What's up, everyone? Sac pase. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to my channel. I'm E. This video is gonna be on how I achieve this bomb Hennessy orange, burnt orange, copper orange, whatever you want to call it. Super easy, literally maybe 3 to 5 steps. You're gonna need hot water, 613 hair provided by me, the hair dye, rinse, conditioner, and that's it. Real simple. You don't have to be a professional or nothing. Just click, watch, and do. So yes, enough with the chit chat. Let's get into this video of how I got this amazing color. Stay tuned. So here are the colors I use, and of course the 613 hair. Here I'm pouring the hot water. As you can see, I didn't use much. So the more hair, the more water. First color is ginger, and I don't use much at the beginning, but towards the end I do add some more. And as you can see, I'm pouring, and then I'm gonna test the color out by spreading it around. And then I'm gonna go on with French. I use that whole bottle, but not at that instant. Towards the end I use the whole thing. And then I'm gonna add another color, and that color's gonna be Cajun Spice. And I did use that whole bottle. I really like that color. Right here, I'm gonna add some copper. And then always swirl after you add. So always add, swirl, some more ginger. And then you swirl it around, swirl, swirl, swirl. Finish, see, I'm finishing that bottle. I really like that color. And then swirl, swirl, swirl. After I added more ginger, I grabbed my 18-inch bundle just to test it. Make sure you always test the water, ladies, so you can see if you want the hair to be darker. Well, I don't think you go any lighter, but yeah, just always test strip. This is me like swirling the hair around. I'm testing it. At that point, I felt like it was too bright for me, a little too highlight. So I ended up putting more color in there, as you can see. Finally satisfied with the color, I went and dipped the whole bundle in. And yes, I left it bundled up. And you're gonna see what happened towards the end, but it ended up working out for me because I ended up getting like this ombre effect, which I love because it added like a different highlight to my hair. So yeah, swirl, swirl, swirl. But if you don't want that highlight effect, go ahead and unravel. Right here, make sure after you dip, 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 you always comb through. My hair didn't knot up. It did pretty good. And yeah. Right here, I'm searching to see if the dye took everywhere, and no, it did not. Make sure you open your bundles, ladies, and check to see if the inside was colored, because mine wasn't. Now it's time to dip the frontal in. Same steps as before, like you dip the bundle in, you start from the end, you dip, you lift, you dip, you lift, you dip, you lift. And then I put the whole thing in there. Yep, the whole thing. I wasn't worried about the lace turning. I wasn't worried because I did spray the lace with the Got to Be Free spray, because I knew I wasn't going to bleach the knots, because bleach knots on colored hair, sometimes your hairline looks ashier than usual. I didn't want that. But here I am, I'm dipping it in all the way in, so everything's in there, lace, hair, all that. Right here, I'm adding some tracks that I tested a few days earlier, and I'll try to see what color I like. So that's what you can do. Just to make sure to get the color you want. Maybe cut a track off the whole bundle and then test it, and then put a little bit of color. That way you can see what color you're gonna get. At this point, what you see is what you get. About 15 minutes later, and right here I'm combing, and I'm gonna check, and when I open the hair, you're gonna see it's gonna have this ombre effect, which at first I was nervous about, but then I was like, oh, I actually love it, because when I curl the hair, it gives it ombre effect. Rinsing the hair with water. And see, look at the lace. It's not copper. It looks stained a little bit, but it's not like colored like the rest of the hair. So this is what happened when you don't unravel the bundle. But easy fix, boil more water, add more color. That's it. Here's the hair a few days later. I love it, and you're gonna see towards the back a little orange. I'm so glad I tried it because I just love this hair against my skin color. I'm getting so many compliments on it. Even my Haitian mom said she liked it on me. You know, zoes and hair and color. They might do a little blonde here and there, a little dark brown, but you know, they don't do color that bad. Yo pas faire ça.